Today we are going to discussing about fluids. Fluid is a substance which is capable of flowing. Normally fluid is in the form of solid, liquid and gas. For normally fluid, for example for fluid is water. If you pour the water from the floor, the water is capable of flowing from one place to another place. So normally fluid, what is fluid? Capable of flowing. Capable of flowing. So this fluid is available in three forms. One is solid, another is liquid and gas. Today we are going to discussing about liquid fluid. For example, I am taking water. Why I am taking this? For normally every living organism needs two basic things. One is air and another is water. Without this, no one can live. Okay? So I am taking this as water. Okay? Water is also called as hydro. Water is also called as hydro. Hydro is a Greek word. Hydro is a Greek word which means water. So fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics. Mechanics is a branch of science which deal with the behavior of fluids. So totally fluids have two behavior. If you take it in a vessel, it is a rest condition. If you take it in a normal vessel and keep it there, so it is in rest condition, and another is for flowing fluid, it is in motion condition, right? One is rest condition and another is motion condition. So it is a branch of science which deal with the rest condition is called as fluid statics. It's called as fluid statics. And another form of fluid is what? Hydro. So it is also called as hydrostatics. Hydrostatics. If the study of fluid which is in rest condition is called as hydrostatics or fluid statics. If the fluid is in motion, they were subdivided into two types. One is hydrokinematics and another is hydrodynamics. Hydrokinematics and another is hydrodynamics. Hydrokinematics is the study of fluid behavior without considering the pressure force which is acting upon the fluid. So without considering the force. Without considering the what force? Pressure force. Without considering the pressure force. So hydrodynamics is a branch of study of motion in fluid which is considering the pressure force. Okay, you play with this. Then normally this world is covered with 75% of water and 25% is filled with land. So majority of the world is covered with water. So what is the difference between air and fluid? What is the difference between the fluid and air? One is, the main important thing is fluid cannot be incompressible. Fluid cannot be incompressible, but air can be compressible. So the fluid is based upon the Pascal's law. Pascal is an French scientist which is born on 19th June 1623. He is a physician and mathematician. he talks about the fluid behavior. That law is called Pascal's law. Okay. Which the law? Pascal's law. Why this law is called as Pascal's law means the inventor is Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal is a French scientist, mathematician and physicist. Okay. So he invented this rule. So the law is named as Pascal's law. So what does the law says? For any fluid which is in rest condition, if the intensity of pressure acting on the fluid is acting same, that is, for example, I am considering this triangular element. So this triangle is named as AB and C. Normally 3 dimension means what are all the axes present? 3 dimension means axis X, Y and Z. So considering this triangular element, so this will be the horizontal pressure force acting on it. Then in phase BC there will be the vertical force, and AC there will be the inclined force. So in the phase AB there will be a horizontal force. Which direction? X direction. So it is called as pressure at X direction. Pressure at X direction. Then BC phase, what is the axis? Y. So P, Y. Inclined axis AC, P, Z. This will have one derivation. Derivation. Today we are see about fluids. A fluid is, what is meant by fluid? A fluid is capable to flow from one place to another place. What are the types in fluids? Solid, liquid and gas. Then what is meant by fluid mechanics? It is a branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluid which is in rest and motion condition. So a fluid which is at rest condition is called as fluid statics. Rest condition means statics. So then dynamics. Motion condition, there will be 2 subdivisions. One is hydrokinematics and another is hydrodynamics. Hydrokinematic means without considering the force. Hydrodynamics means with considering the force. So the fluid is based upon the Pascal's law. So what is the Pascal law says there? If a fluid is at rest condition, the intensity of pressure is equal in all the directions. That is the Pascal's law.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.